Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a LLM API gateway website which allows you access to multiple AI models directly using their API key. So recently I found out this website. It's called as tokenhot.ai. So if you simply type this address in the website in the browser, this is actually the base URL. As you see, this is their API, and once you land on this, you click on the sign up button. It supports over 100 models. You simply sign up using your Google account, and after signing up it instantly gives you your API keys. So once you are successful, you will see that you have the option. So we have Anthropic, Claude, Gemini, Grok, Quen, all the AI providers in a single platform. So once you log in right here, if you see that we have the sidebar section, so we also have the playground section as well, where you can actually try any kind of model directly. Simply select it from the drop down list. So whatever model you want to select, you simply select that. After that, you simply type the prompt. So it also, if you simply click the model section right here, so if you see, it has overall 58 models, different providers, as you see that. So right here, we have personal settings right here. So once you sign up, unfortunately it doesn't give you sign up tokens. You do need to top up. So once you click the uh, from here, you can create a token. So here all your usage cost will be directly shown, how much request you make. So if you see, want to check out the API documentation, it's a Chinese based website, so some text will be in Chinese. So just make sure that you translate this to English. So for each AI model you can select and then see the actual, it will actually provide you with the code which is required, the curl code. This will be the response which will be there. Same for JavaScript code is also there. Same for Java as well. So different programming languages are supported. You simply select it from the documentation. So it's a really good website. In the dashboard area, it exactly tells you how much account balance you have. You can also click the top up button. Simply select the amount and click on Stripe and click on redeem. You can even click on Stripe. So you can pay using Stripe. If you click on that, you will be redirected to Stripe and you can make the payment to top up. After you do that, you click on create token. Just enter a name and then it will provide you with this API key. You simply copy this API key directly. So this is your wallet management. From here you top up and create the API key and then you can try out any kind of model. Really simple. So really simple website. Definitely check this out. It also have video generation models as well. So directly it has a playground section where you can generate videos, images, code as well. So right here you will see that from here you select any kind of model. All the models are there. So you do need to top up to actually remove this message. So this is the website tokenhot.ai. Definitely check this out.